Hey guys, we're going to talk about word families. Word families are words that have the same ending vowel and consonant. They're also rhyming words. So we're going to look at the at family today. Whoops. Sorry guys. All right, so the at family. These are words that are going to end in the at chunk. All right, at says at. All right, but if I add a b in front of that, that would make the word at, bat. I add the a C sound in front of that, it would be at, cat. If I add a in front of it, it would be at, rat. If I add the sound in front of it, it would be at, sat. If I add the sound in front of it, it'd be at, hat. So now we've made the word bat, cat, rat, sat, and hat with the at chunk.